Hey guys, this is Prithvi from FBC and today I'm going to show you how a school admin manages a new student. When a school admin logs in, he will go to the student module. Now he will figure out the new enrolled student with this green label by their name, or he can search for a specific student using the search bar. Once he enters the student profile page, he will see this kind of a layout. Now he can first click on the status of a program in order to change it from enroll to anything that he wants. So if it is in review, he can change it to enroll. Now when he clicks enroll, he will see this pop up. He can enter a message before submission, or he can just directly click the submit button. This will make the student receive an email that he has been enrolled. Now he can click on the my info button. Clicking on the my info button will show him this info where he will see a lot of tabs. In the enrollment tab, he can make changes. Clicking on the programs, he will see this thing. Clicking on this enrollment agreement will download the PDF file which contains the enrollment information of the student. The upload tabs consists of the uploaded data by the student. When he clicks on the notes tab, he can click on this add note in order to add a new note. When he clicks on add note, this pop-up will open up where he can add the note details, add the note name, subject, note type, and enter the description and click on the add note button. When he clicks on add note button, this note will be entered successfully. Now the student profile page consists of all the information entered by the student. The enrollment information and the student profile information are the same, but the student profile is read-only for the admin. When he clicks on back to student profile, he will go back to the previous page. Now he can click on this icon in order to get the enrollment receipt for this particular student. Also, he can click on the program name in order to enter the details of that student. Now this is the info tab. The info tab contains a lot of information about the program or the course. He can go to the transcript tab and he can check out the transcripts. He can change the status of a transcript, or if he wants to make a printout, then he can use the print icon above in order to make a printout. Next, he can go to the test tab in order to view the test. Also, he can use this schedule tab and check on this check box in order to make the changes. He can view the attendance tab. He can view the payments tab. Now, on the payments tab, he can edit the payment that is made by the student. Click on this edit payment button. This pop-up will show up. Now if you want to edit any mode of payment, click on this edit icon for that mode of payment, make your changes, and then click on the update payment button. Finally, click on submit. Now the payment information has been updated. If he wants to delete any mode of payment, then he can click on it and click on this delete icon, click on the delete button. Now the balance amount must be 0 in order to finalize this payment. So he must add a new mode of payment. So if he adds a new mode of payment, then he will also need to add the new payment details. After he adds the new payment details, he can click on this add payment button and then finally click on submit. This will update the payment information of that student. So this was a video about how a school admin manages a newly enrolled student. Thanks for watching.